Hello, how are you?
Hi, very good, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Jessica Juliana Grajales.
Hi, how are you?
I am 30 years old
Where did you live?
in Pereira, Risaralda,
Are you single married?
married,
Did you have children?
a daughter
Who do you like?
with my husband and my daughter.
Are you a student?
Publish accounting,
What are your habits?
read, study, work,
What is the work?
transport pelotas.
Anytime about size.
Yes, I have worked as an office assistant for the last 5 years. Service. I have experience in customer service, accounting records, and cash handling.
What are your strengths?
Positive attitude, dedication, and flexibility.
What are your weaknesses?
Yes, weak and frugal.
What is your biggest achievement in life?
My daughter
What did you say? Solfaing.
working steadily as a accountant.
What did you want to leave your job?
I want to go to my profession
What did you want to work for it?
because I can develop my skill and knowledge in the accounting area.
What is your salary expectation?
Growing the work person and intellectual area.
Miss Jessica, thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.